This is a table fan and kept for a long time, and this is not running. And you can see when we plugged in, then the cabin fan is not starting at all. And in this video I will show you how to troubleshoot the fault and how to repair it. If you love my video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Let's switch on. The fan is very dirty and dusty, so first of all let's clean it. Now the bracket holding screw is loosened and the bracket is removed. The fan blade is free to rotate, that means there is no bearing jam. Now let's remove the blade from the shaft by unscrewing the screw. Now you can see the blade is removed from the shaft and there is no breakage, and the shaft is free to rotate, that means there is no bearing jam. Let's clean the bracket again. Now as per the specification, you can see the fan is of 230 volt 50 Hz and 75 watt power intake with 1400 rpm speed, and the air delivery is 4500 meter cube per hour. After cleaning the dirt and dust of the fan, the motor cover screw is unmounted. First of all, we have to check the winding continuity, so the insulation is removed. The input phase wire, that means the red color cable, is coming from the plug and connected with the capacitor white terminal and red terminal of the fan, that is the running winding of the fan. And the black color cable, that means the neutral, is connected with the common terminal of the starting and running winding. The another terminal of the capacitor, that is the white color cable, is connected directly with the starting winding terminal, that is the blue color cable of the fan. I have already shown the connections of a ceiling fan. The connection of ceiling fan and the table fan is same, and you can find the link in description. Now you can see we have disconnected the all terminals of the fan and capacitor. Now let's test the continuity of the windings. The starting winding resistance, that means the resistance between black and blue color cable, is 275 ohm, that means the winding is okay. And now the resistance between red and blue color cable, that is the starting winding and running winding resistance, is 542 ohm resistance, and the resistance between the running winding, that means the resistance between black and red colored cable, is 272 ohm. From this we can conclude that the windings are okay. Now let's check the capacitor, and you can see the capacitor is of 2.0 microfarad and 440 volt AC with 50 Hz frequency. Let's check the capacitance of it. So we have to change the selector switch to the capacitance mode, and yes, you can see the display is showing NF, that means the capacitance in nanofarad. And we have to connect the probes with the capacitor terminals after discharging it, and you can see the capacitance is showing 0, that means the capacitor is faulty, and we have to replace the capacitor with a new one, and its rating is 2.25 microfarad, a little bit more than the previous one. Let's check the capacitance of it, and yes, you can see the capacitance is 2.249, that means we can say that the capacitance of the capacitor is 2.25 microfarad. That means this new one is okay, and we can connect the capacitor with the fan. Now one terminal of the capacitor is connected with the running winding of the fan, and another terminal is connected with the starting winding, that means the blue terminal of the fan, and the common terminal of the capacitor and running winding is connected with the supply phase, and the black cable of the fan, that means the common terminal of the running and starting winding, is connected directly with the neutral. We have connected temporarily, and let's check it's working or not. And yes, you can see the fan is running and there is no leakage current in the shaft. That means our connections are okay. Now finally the connections can be insulated. Now the capacitor is tied with the holder properly. The canopy cover is mounted again and the screw is tightened. The fan blade is mounted on the shaft properly and the screw is tightened. Now the bracket is mounted and the bracket mounting screw is tightened. Let's connect the fan again, and the airflow is in true direction. That means our connections are okay. Stay tuned with us. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.